hours, Bogota suffered the most dangerous blizzard in the history of Colombia. They then told to the citizens that there was that blizzard is the most dangerous in the history. The winter it's heavy and the temperature is too low, approximately 6 degrees. For that reason, the police declared curfew in Bogota and the surroundings. At this time, we connect with Yuri. Yuri, what's the news in the north of Bogota?
Good afternoon, Anna. Yes, in this moment I am in the place of emergency and I can see a lot of cars that don't move because the blizzard is very strong. I'm going to talk with the bus driver. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Carlos.
Carlos, what happened at this moment with mobility?
The snow blocked the streets
Oh yes, and how long have you been in this place?
for an hour.
An hour. Oh, it's terrible. And how does this disaster affect your job?
It also because I can move to the city. I was driving and a passenger told me to turn on the radio, so I turned on the radio, and then the radio said that the streets were blocked, so I can have the money of the day to give to my family.
Oh, thank you, Carlos. Anna, the bus driver told me that he was working in this place, but now it's impossible to work because the snow is covering all of cars and he has long hours in the same point of the city. Okay, this is all for the moment. I am Yuri Diaz for Colombo News.
Thanks, Yuri, for your report. Now we are talking with Sebastian from other place in the capital. Sebastian, tell us how the person in the street prepares for the blizzard.
Good afternoon, Anna. Yes, that's a very breaking news. Here you can see that the houses are very destroyed because of the high blizzard has occurred here. It's catastrophic and it's freezing, isn't it? So it's very dangerous. The hospital reports show that lots of kids had been injured because they were playing in the park and they didn't notice of this natural disaster. So now we are with a mother that is Judy that will tell us about what happened in this neighborhood from Bogota. Have you had problems moving to the city or taking your children to school?
Yes, my children happen to be able to go to school and I can't go to work because it's dangerous to go out with the disaster.
Oh yes, it's catastrophic. Did anything go wrong with your home installations or with the building you live?
In my neighborhood there are a lot of parks destroyed, but in my house everything is fine and I hope that this disaster ends as soon as possible.
Yes, we all hope this. You are very lucky that you don't have many affectations in your life, but many people in this disaster has some huge affectations. So we continue with Joanna in the studio. Thank you.
Thanks, Sebastian. Well, the Civil War said that all houses had to cover the windows and the doors. Also, the government cancels the classes in the schools and the universities. This is a news in development for Colombo News.